One house belonging to Tilaibah, a 60-year-old widow, a resident of Tgk Syuhada Hamlet, Gampong Jaba, Peudada District, Bireuen Regency caught fire, Monday afternoon, January 31, 2022 at 16:45 WIB. There were no casualties in the incident. It was discovered that the house was empty. The victim and her child were not at home. The cause of the fire is not yet known. Residents who saw it immediately asked the local community for help. The condition of the fire burning in the front room of the house, spreading to burn the house and its contents. Then the community came to provide assistance and also asked for help from the firefighters, said the village head. In line with Muhammad Bairi, said that at that time he and his mother were not at home, because they had gone to the fields, his wife Rina Saputri, 29, and their son Firman Sadiq, 3, had returned too. Muhammad Bairi went to sit in a shop not far from the house. Then it was reported that the residents had their house on fire. When they arrived at the location, there is no property that can be saved anymore, and in the meantime, he, along with his mother, wife and child, must stay at a neighbor's house, he said.